When it comes to starting a new career, there are many factors we have to weigh. Things like money, time, maybe school. A 4-year college degree is a big commitment, and while it's the right choice for some, it's often very expensive. As the world continues to change, you might be thinking about finding your own path. Maybe you enjoy working with your hands, or you've always dreamed of turning your hobby into a business. As you think about planning for your future, it can be helpful to reflect on 3 things. Number 1, at this point in time, what are your priorities? A job that's less stressful, or one where you can move up to a higher position? Jot down a list of what matters to you. Number 2, what are your strengths? Maybe you have an eye for detail, or you're a people person. These are the types of things you can share during an interview or even put on your resume. And finally, what line of work might be a good fit? There are thousands of YouTubers who share their experiences, so you might try searching for phrases like "a day in the life," "what I wish I had known," or "come to work with me," followed by a job title you are looking into. You can also check out our free Careers Without College tutorial on our website. It includes descriptions of jobs in tech, healthcare, even for artists, and more. Just remember, there's no way to know exactly how much money you'll make or where your career path will take you. But by doing a little research, you can plan for the road ahead.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.